Oh Lord, I can feel it coming in the air all night. Oh Lord, forever riding. I'm forever riding. Baby, let me hold you, mold you. Let things unfold to you, exposed at your phone at home. At the phone booth, putting it work so you can be on my team. It seems you scared, cause rumors that you heard of me, that I'm hard on freaks, loving them and then leaving them some more. I got things to do, little mama, I'm a soldier. I ain't gonna start marching till I got paper to fold up. So hold up, recognize I'm your last day Cupid Mac. Press dicky slacks, I'm hitting corners on every side, smoking fat stacks. Haters, get back, cause I'm back to make my pocket fat. To the fact how I do that, I'm international. Have your mama saying who that, but it's me. The M to the A slash to the IP, forever riding. Forever riding. Forever riding. I'm moving on up, so I'm loving life right about now. Throw your hands up, get on the floor and shake that ass for a while. It's on. If you got a bad spirit, get your bell on. Babies heaven sent, and our path is about to dent. I mean connect. I saw this day in a dream. She was looking like Vanessa Williams, and I was butted off this weed. But believe me, before the night is over, get in the digits so we can talk and get explicit. Push a lot of bull to the side and get with it. I'm forever riding. So if it's heaven sent, that means it's meant to be. And we's about to be what God wants us to be. Our destiny is always together forever. You make me hot when you wear them tight leathers. I never seen a pair of breasts is so precious, pushed up together in your skirt. But I'm macking, so you know I'm expecting work. I'm forever riding. Forever riding. I'm forever riding. Forever riding. Forever riding. Yeah. Forever riding. Forever riding. See, man, and things are gonna be that way. I like motivated chicks who got good ideas to get more paper. Yo, I know my game is vicious like an evil pit. So when I spit, soak it up and expand your game, pimp. I'm forever riding. Ambitious cause I'm like a Capricorn. My gasoline is persecution. Doing all things without murdering and disputing. See, I got my mind on the rise, expanding like a rubber band. I'm here to possess the land. Now, baby, do you understand? Consider my soul and smoke a fat one in retrospect when you have some time. Cause my rhymes have had a blind opening eyes. So be wise, I don't hate you. Support your favorite player. Macking like the old days in this new year. Forever riding. I'm forever riding. Forever riding. I'm forever riding.